Today, I want to walk you through how I use Convertkit as a business coach. I've been using Convertkit for about 3 years plus, and I can tell you that it has come on leaps and bounds since I started using it, and it was pretty awesome at the beginning. It is definitely one of my favorite platforms for growing my business. So what is Convertkit? Convertkit is a creator marketing platform, and it is an essential part of running my business. I'm going to be jumping behind my laptop in a moment to show you my Convertkit account and build these things live with you. I'm so excited. So in this video, I'm going to be covering all the tech and email setup for delivering your lead magnets so that you can grow your list. So you definitely want to send some sort of welcome message to your subscriber, your brand new subscriber who just said yes to being on your list. So what is the purpose of this? When somebody has said yes to being on your list, your email list, you know that they've said yes to lots of other people. So you want to get in there as quickly as possible to just, introduce yourself, to, tell them what to expect and all of that good stuff. This is what keeps your email list healthy, keeps it growing, and keeps people opening it time and time again. Now, inside of Convertkit, there are several ways of doing this. You can either do it via a sequence. You could also send a broadcast. Whichever way is completely up to you. So for the final time, let me jump into my Convertkit account to show you what I would do to welcome my new subscriber and keep that relationship growing strong. Let's dive in. So let's dive in. Before I show you how I created it, let me just show you one that I've done. And here's one I made earlier. So this is one of my lead magnet delivery emails, and I just wanted to show you the structure. So obviously first you have the headline for the lead magnet. Make sure that the title of the lead magnet is there so that people recognize it. If it's a PDF lead magnet, then I would always have an image of what the lead magnet is so that they can see it. And then of course the body of the email. In your email, you definitely want to, share a bit of a story, about yourself and about what it is that you do, and introduce yourself. Do not assume that people know who you are and that's why they grabbed the lead magnet. No, they grabbed the lead magnet because they were interested in the title or the headline, not anything to do with you, unfortunately. So you do still need to introduce yourself here. And then, of course, here I do also offer another opportunity to download the lead magnet right within this email. And then I go into, here's a quick guide on getting ongoing support from me. And I share various ways that, that people can work with me. And then down here, I do the same again, getting more from Pam, schedule a complimentary call, join me on YouTube, join my Facebook group. And so these are things that are as standard. This was actually part of a template that we used for this. So this is how I would structure the lead magnet delivery email. Now, in order to create this, however, we need to go over to send and down here to sequences. Now, again, don't worry about all the sequences. I do send a lot of emails, and my Convertkit account is seasoned. It's because I've been with Convertkit for a very long time. So over here, I'm going to click on new sequence to start the process again. The first thing you want to do is name your sequence. So I want to call this So lead magnet delivery demo, this just reminds me to delete it later because I won't be using this, of course. So I'm going to click over here to create a sequence. Once you've done that, you now have this blank template to work from. The first thing you want to do is to add your headline. So I tend to begin with, it's here. What was my lead magnet called again? Here it is. Copy and paste. There we are. And then over here, I would add my content. Down here, once I add all of my content and I have checked that everything works well, you definitely want to change this to, instead of after 1 day, change this to 0 so that it delivers immediately. They receive it. And then, of course, you want to hit publish so that this actually gets delivered to your subscribers. So this is how you would set up a quick, very short email sequence to deliver your lead magnet. I mean, they would have already received your lead magnet, but this is just, it's not just to deliver your lead magnet. It's just an opportunity for you to solidify that relationship and, allow them to get to know you and get them opening your emails and all of that good stuff. If you did want to add other emails to this so that you can create a bit of a longer sequence, then you simply click over here to add email, add email, and now I have 4 emails. And if I click on this, you can see it says draft over here because this email is still in draft, it's not published. And so you can simply open each one and then add your email inside. And once you've added your email, you hit publish, and now that email is ready to go. You can see that even if I wanted to hit publish over here, I couldn't because I haven't added anything here. So Convertkit knows that, Pam, you can't publish this because you have no email in here. So if I simply do this, for example, now I can hit, down here, I can hit published down here because I have added something in here. So it's very smart, and I do like that about it. So this is how you would create some sort of follow-up email sequence. So I hope you got a lot of value from watching this. I want to know any questions that you have. Let me know, what marketing platforms are you currently using in your business? Let me know any questions that you have about Convertkit specifically. And if you want to check out Convertkit, then I will put a link below this video in the description. Make sure you click that link in order to check it out. What it will do is it will give you a free trial of Convertkit, which gives you the ability to grow your list from 0 to 1,000 subscribers even before you've begun to pay anything for using Convertkit. I think that is a pretty good deal. So make sure you click the link in the description of this video to check it out. And finally, if you really liked this video, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. It'd be really great to have you. I publish 3 times a week, and I publish really awesome videos, even if I say so myself, about a lot of tools that I use, and of course to help you to grow your own wildly lucrative business. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell and notifications so that you'll be the first to know when I publish next. Now, before you go, don't forget to check out this playlist, which is all about Convertkit, my favorite creator marketing platform, and how to use it to grow your business. So if you want to check that out, go ahead and click on that link before you go, and I'll see you in my next video.